Hello, how are you? Today I am going to explain how to place your fabric on the cup. Okay, how to bag these parts. So for that we are going to need our cup. We will take out the center. We will also take out our center from the Bustier. Okay, there we will mark a notch, and here we will mark with chalk. Okay, the chalk should be on both sides to reflect the center. Ready? So what are we going to do? Look, we are going to take, when we are going to attach, you must remember that the part inside must be with the front of the fabric. So that means we are going to do this. Look there. If you do not have a specific measurement, you will take and mark with chalk to go to a single level. Okay? So we are going to do slowly there, aligning the notches and the machine.
Let's make it big. Let's go.
Vamos a empezar a coser. Ahí. Despacito. In fact, well,
there are other ways too, but this is one of the simplest. When we are there, then we will know it will be finished. There we already have the front side, how it can look, okay? But before doing this, we are going to do a top stitch on the fabric here. We will be opening over the fabric.
Fame. A little bit.
We give a little finish. Hey, when we are going to open, well, we must open strongly to make that little break that gives it.
Turn to the fabric. See there.
How do you see it? Easy, right? It looks easy to you. So, look, girls, now, what are we going to do? Now we're going to sew along this edge, okay? But for that, we're going to use a large stitch again. And we are going to come here. Stretching the dry fabric without losing the shape of the cup.
I like it.
Okay.
Removing the cup.
All right, now we will start sewing along this edge. Okay.
Slowly. Despacito.
Yeah. Okay, ready. Listo? Perfect. Here. Well, we almost have our cup ready. Okay.
You're up to
All
me.
that's missing is to refine, place the internal closure, and then attach it to the bustier. Okay? What do you think? Okay?
¿Qué les parece?
Cool. Then we attach
The kitchen today is a little complicated, honestly.
Ready?
Okay, but wait.
Okay, here we are, girls.
Okay.